Good morning, traders. Yesterday's selling pressure on S&P was spectacular when in single hour, in a couple of minutes, S&P collapsed 100 points. We expected the pullback. We've been monitoring this level for many days. So if you understand the power of the system and you understand where shorts coming from, you also understand the danger of the retail trading range this morning. If you decide to trade software for NinjaTrader 8 with a split second, you see prices stuck in pain in retail trading range. So when bullish rally overextended and market stuck and frozen in weak selling pressure, not powerful selling pressure this morning, intelligent trader understands the danger of this. That's it, pure and simple. Bullish rally overextended, stock extremely high. This level represents a massive problem. Managing this level very carefully is absolutely critical to your success. This level identifies the end of the minor bullish rally. If selling pressure will pick up the steam, market will start selling off. Weekly chart is the most important institutional chart, and you knew extremely well where to buy from. But this represents a problem this morning. This is black and white. So no matter what chart you trade, you understand quite well. On every single chart, price stuck in pain at this level. That's it. Intelligent trader understands every single day, every single week, every single month and year is different. What institutions do, you do. You trade with them, not against them. Bullish rally overextended, stuck in pain. And that's what's playing out in this morning's market. So extreme caution, please, as you understand and respect where price will be testing next. So what is a good thing that will happen? Powerful pullback further down. Being stuck in the middle of nowhere is not a good thing. 1 minute chart is absolutely critical barometer in day trading. In Alpha Fibonacci System, you understand that extremely well. On multiple other charts, shorts already picking up this theme. When short alert displayed, intelligent trader understands there is no power when single alert displayed. It's retail trading range only. To the downside, this would be huge pain. There is nothing else here, only this morning. No institutional power, just retail junky bearish correction only. When scanner displays multiple alerts, it constitutes institutional power. When scanner displays single alert, it constitutes only retail market. Again, no matter what chart you trade, you knew it well before market open. This is not the place to buy, this is a place to monitor for short from. We discussed all of this with students well before market open. So if you traded this morning, your trading day is done. It's only 3 minutes after market open. You understand where to enter, you understand where to exit. Intelligent trader understands quite well when price comes to this critical key level. It's very powerful and important moment in your personal trading. Again, with simplicity of this system, you knew well before market open, this is not the place to buy. This is a place to short from. It's a retail morning, it's a bearish crawl. So when buyers step in at this level, as you're witnessing already playing out, you understand quite well where buyers coming from. Please pay attention. In the Alpha Fibonacci system, reversal zone is extremely powerful level. If I convert this chart to 1, you see clearly a reversal expected. Every single one of my systems I have ever developed applies to every instrument, every time frame, every platform. Speculation is never, ever an option. So if you traded this morning and you took this trade and you're working your way with 5 to 10 points, single lot on 5 points is $250. 10 lots on 5 points, $2,500. You do not need many trades. What you need is quality in your trading. The bottom 95% that never makes it in trading, that struggles forever, thinks more trades, more money. When it's completely opposite. Quality trade at the lot size. You start with a single lot after you double your demo account, which on Ninja Trader you can do with market replay. You can replay 8 hours in a couple of hours. You can demo trade on Ninja Trader 8 on weekends. You can practice anytime you choose your phenomenal execution. By the end of the year, you're trading 10 lots. By the end of 2 years, you're trading 20. S&P reflects US stock market. You can trade substantial lot size on S&P. That's it. It is only 7 minutes after market open as you're witnessing strategic precise alpha Fibonacci chess. Pure and simple. And if market keep bouncing between this level and this level, intelligent trader understands quite well where buyers come from. Reversal zone is extremely powerful level in the Alpha Fibonacci Proprietary System. As we will review next, the events that played out on multiple instruments this week. And again, I can convert this chart to any time frame I choose. The time frame you decide to trade, the Renko, the tick charts, the minute charts, absolutely your personal decision. You make a personal decision what instrument, what time frame is appropriate for you, your psychological comfort, and your financial ability. Every single person trades different instrument, different time frame. Oil this week was spectacular. Why? As we knew quite well, this is not the place to buy oil. So to recap this week, let's review what played out in the trading room. Oil news, opening up, 7:30 a.m. my time, May 21st. This is oil on May 21st, selling off. But we knew it well before it happened, as again oil came to reversal zone. So if I bring to your attention this key chart on oil well before oil news, you're extremely well prepared and trading markets as intelligent chess. Here's oil May 8th. Chart present in the trading room for weeks. Intelligent trader knew days and weeks in advance this is institutional buy point. But when bullish rally skyrockets from 55 reversal zone, as you witnessed on S&P this morning, until 64, oil selling off. Crash on oil is spectacular. That's it. And you knew it well before bearish news. Oil collapsed from 64 until 60. Amazon, despite spectacular earnings in free fall, Amazon collapsed until 162. Euro, spectacular rally on euro from identical level you're witnessing in front of you right now on S&P. It is all the same. Whatever instrument, whatever time frame you choose to trade is absolutely your personal choice. And what S&P will do next at this level will define S&P for hours to come. So while S&P crawling up and remains stuck in retail trading range this morning, intelligent trader can review and understand any other instruments you choose to trade. After crash and sell-off, catastrophic crash on US dollar finding support, but it is only bullish correction. There is no spectacular rally on US dollar. 140 on US dollar causing a problem to the upside. Catastrophic crash on Tesla found spectacular buyers. Despite horrific earnings, Tesla skyrocketed more than $100 per share. So if day trading is not your cup of tea, use system long term. and you can buy identical bottom on oil, on euro, and sell the top on Amazon, and sell the top on Tesla, and know where to buy Nvidia from identical reversal zone as playing out in front of you on S&P. Not everyone meant to be day trader. Not everyone has patience, discipline, and technical skills to trade. In every single class, I teach micro and macro charts, and every single trader makes a personal decision what's appropriate to trade. Here's a final review of this week. Phenomenal rally on Bitcoin continues, as we're discussing in the course what to expect on Bitcoin, and we're extremely clear where Bitcoin came from. Ethereum. This will be war zone on Ethereum. In the course we discuss what to expect on Ethereum. Crash on Ethereum more than 60%, found buyers exactly where to expect it. So day trading is not for you. Look at the chart. Every hour, every day, every week, every month, choice is yours. System applies to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. And if S&P remains stuck in pain, intelligent trader understands quite well where pain is coming from. So if you are day trading futures, trade recognition software and multi-market scanner is a phenomenal tool that showed you clearly this morning. It's a retail pain only. There is no institutional power because institutional rally overextended, came to critical key Alpha Fibonacci target. On the worst day in US stock market, you knew where to buy S&P from. This was institutional morning. So if I bring to your attention this chart and I take you all the way to March 24th, 2 months ago, we knew where S&P heading to. We knew this level is out, this level to follow. Institutional buyers stepping in with vengeance, spelling out. When you're using your limitless brain, you respect news due to volatility only. You buy with institutions at 4,870 level with massive numbers of trades present. Option traders buying the bottom. Traders who trade VOO, mutual funds, index funds, taking positions. So if you understand the power of this, you also understand extremely well. A month later, May 22nd, institutional traders holding longs. It's a junky retail morning, an entirely different trading day than here, when institutions took positions versus holding positions. That's it, as being confirmed by Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, where intelligent trader knew to exit short. There is nothing else is here in this morning's market, only this. And this is Alpha Fibonacci weekly review of all that played out on massive numbers of instruments. Here's final gold. Gold stock in bearish correction. Identical reversal zone you're witnessing on S&P to the bottom is what playing out on gold at the top. This level is a lifeline on gold. This level will define gold for years to come. That's it, pure and simple. So when you make a personal decision on the instrument you want to trade, it is absolutely a personal choice. Every single one of these traders trades different instrument, different time frame, different platform. So when Steve stopping by on the course and shares his phenomenal journey and story, it's absolute honor to see how trader in Melbourne, Australia, accomplishing this. But how trader in England, trading massive various crypto. CEO trading futures and forex. Ken is trading crypto. George trading stocks. On instruments I never even heard of. So what you decide to trade is absolutely a personal decision. As Richard, oncologist, retired, trading Alpha Fibonacci System on options. Every single one of these traders, different instrument, different time frame, different platform. And when husband bringing his wife to the course, it's an ultimate honor. So please view the information on the website and make a personal decision on the instrument and time frame you want to trade. And if you want to do both day and position trade, of course you can. You can always join us in the trading room where you can ask questions. This is the final weekend to sign up with one space in our trading bootcamp, as you can view and listen to journeys and stories of our traders. You can listen how father brought his son to the course, and you can listen how friends bringing friends. You can listen to husband who brought his wife. You can listen how traders retire trading the system, and how legend CEO shares his journey. Simply choose the package appropriate for you, as private mentoring the most desirable option, with a trading bootcamp video library additional value of $2077, private mentoring savings $10,000. Group course option 2, the most popular option. Every single option includes video library modules, lifetime system for all platforms, only requirement for the platform, Fibonacci retracement tool. Option 2 and 4 include software to day trade futures for Ninja Trader 8. Any questions for me? Simply pick up the phone and call. Click on Contact Us section. +1 925 257 4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much for spectacular week. Institutional class next, where we'll review key institutional charts and how to trade with institutions on any instrument, any time frame, any platform you choose to trade. Pure and simple.